guys, welcome back to a little quick video across garage. Today I am using this Mother's Magic Quick clay bar.
Get it?
I mean, you can. I'll put the link in the description below. This is video is gonna be super quick, but yeah, this thing really does work. I'm not gonna lie. If it didn't work, I would say it didn't. You know, we keep it real here across garage. I'm clay barring my wife's RX350 because we're about to do the PPF tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video because we're gonna PPF it tomorrow. We already bought the PPF and we're having somebody who knows how to wrap a car. She's gonna put the PPF on. So that's just a good idea for you guys out there. You can purchase the PPF yourself for a lot cheaper, and then you can have somebody else put it on and save a ton of money because we got quoted for $1,800, $2,200. Like, we got quoted for so much. So just show you guys how this thing works. You can actually hear the dirt. You want to wash the car, hand wash the car first, like I did. Then just get any soap. I'm just using some soap over there. Putting it in the mitt. So I've done this part right here. You can't hear anything. Bring it in closer.
Oh.
Super smooth, super smooth. Right? Now watch. Can't hear it, right? Super smooth. Now, I've done about all the way up to here, and then this part hasn't been done, so you're about to hear the difference. Put it closer. You can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it on camera, but you can feel it. Babe, here, you try. I'll film you.
Okay.
You just move your hand all right here.
I can't hear anything.
But you can definitely feel it.
But I have bad hearing.
Yep. So just straight.
Well, I want to feel what's
Okay.
different. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
You see?
It's like grimy.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
It's like sand particles.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
What it feels
Yep.
like. Oh, and then now it's nothing.
Yeah, and then that's so this isn't a sale video. We have no affiliation with this. She said, babe, send me what clay bar you want, because I'm so used to the traditional clay bar, the actual clay bar. And then she said, babe, send me which one. So I just went on YouTube real quick. Probably took me about 5 minutes. Once it gets like this, you want to just spray it off.
This is good. Like, it's comfortable for your hand too.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to spray it off?
No, I was just watching you go, because you
Not like the plane.
I know, yeah. So, yeah, once it gets like this, you see it's all contaminated, you want to spray it down and probably go over it again. But it doesn't get clogged up like a traditional clay bar. You don't have to knead it or anything. You can just go. It actually speeds up the process. It's a little hard getting in certain areas, especially around the mirrors, but outside of that, this thing works amazing. So it's gonna be, you can just feel it, right?
What you've done and what you haven't done.
Yeah.
I thought when you said clay bar, it was going to be an actual bar of clay that cleans the car.
There are. That's the traditional. This is a new product.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a new product. And to me, I'm like, man, I don't need all the clay bar. I just need something quick. And this thing works amazing because I've used clay bars in the past. All right, let me go ahead and clean it out and we can swap.
Okay, here you go, sir. Thank you. My shirt got a little wet.
So, wifey's happy. Listen, happy wife, happy life. So, she used it. What do you think?
I like it. I think I don't know any other type of clay bar, but that works amazing.
Yeah. So
and it's comfy for your hand, and it's easy, no mess.
No mess. Rinse it off again.
You said that's your own soap?
Huh?
That's your own soap you use?
Yeah, right there. Just some regular car soap put inside the mitt.
I'm gonna get some ASMR actions.
But yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna finish this car up. Thank you for tuning in to Carl's Garage. Stay tuned. Watch all the other content at Carl's Garage. I'm straight at the content if you don't know, so you can watch my big channel. We're almost to 20,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this, you can watch my big channel. I'm straight at the content. Go over there. I got other car content on there as well, but I'm trying to separate the channel. So just put only car content on straight at content. I figure I'd make this quick little video for you. And then stay tuned for the PPF rep, the DIY PPF rep.
What is PPF?
That stands for paint protection film. And they got two types of films. I'll put a link to the company where I got my film because I seen some, we got a 50-inch wide. I got 12 yards for $216. That's with taxes. So it was perfect. That's super cheap. because the other brand or whatever, these other brands that they got out here, they go with like 1,300 and stuff like that. So you don't need all that, guys. If you just want to just protect your car, you don't got a McLaren or a Z06, right? If you don't have any of those cars, you just want to protect your car, you don't need any of that stuff. You just need this brand I'll show you guys in the video tomorrow. So thank you for everything, guys. Peace.